But when you hit that 7, 8, 9, the 8, 9, 10, we hit the 8, 9, 10, boom cat. You get into the fun colors. And she's smoky in them fun colors. What's up, y'all? Welcome in and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are completely new, hello. I'm SincerelyNiko. In today's video, we're going to be playing around with some Danessa Myricks beauty and her Color Fix eyeshadow. I did this little look here using one of her eyeshadows. We're going to do some swatches. We're going to talk about prices. We're going to see the foils and the mattes, the combinations, all that good jazz. So if you guys are interested in this video, definitely give this video a watch. And if you have not subscribed, please join me here on YouTube. Be a part of the EXO squad where we get lit on this side of YouTube. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this video. Alright guys, so I have all 10 shades of the Color Fix from Danessa Myricks in my hand. Should we do swatches?
What a real bitch wanna know is, how you get on these PR lists? Teach me your ways.
I think we should do some swatches. Let's do some swatches, y'all. Alright, so I love the fact that there's a foil and a metallic on both sides. I am no stranger when it comes down to Color Fix products. So for her to actually make these a little bit more portable, and also you get to have 2 in 1 instead of having to buy them individually, is sickening. The amount that you get on each product is 0.106 ounces or 3 grams. And I'm not a chemist. I don't bake. I don't know if that's significant, like crazy enough to have, but that's the ounces and that's the amount that you get on here.
Wheelchair charging, Henny ready, hat ready, glasses, hand sanitized, water. It's about to go down, bitch. Purr.
So let's do some swatches real quickly. I'm gonna swatch them. I guess I'm gonna swatch them on my arm. I'm gonna do one side foil and one side metallic. I love the fact that these are magnetic and they have the little connector that keeps them together to prevent them from like falling out or moving around. Oh, that is creamy. That's shade number 1. All right, so that is the first 5. This is insane. This is insane, y'all. Alright, so I'm back with swatches. And when I tell you I am overly impressed by these colors, like, I don't know if y'all can see that, but this is outrageous. Galaxy Crush and Shadow Eclipse number 10, you need that. You need that. You need this. That is sickening. Even number 9, Cosmic Veil, the dark black turning like it's like a blackish blue. That is sickening. There's something in here for the girls who are super natural with a lot of browns, especially up here in the shades 1 through 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 1 through 7. You got a lot of brown metallics and a lot of like coppers and bronzies and golds and, how can I say, champagnes, some rose golds in there as well too. But when you hit that 7, 8, 9, the 8, 9, 10, we hit the 8, 9, 10, boom cat. You get into the fun colors. And she's smoky in them fun colors. I don't know what I want to do with my eyes. I want to put one on my eyes really, really bad. I think I'm gonna do a smoky. I think I'm gonna do a smoky, and I think I'm gonna go with number 10, Galaxy Crush. I think I'm gonna put this on. I think I'm gonna do that. Yeah. A little bit of information about these products. I forgot to give y'all some information about them. They're multi-use pearl pigment sticks with a refreshing cooling sensation. They're for eyes, cheek, and lips. They feature their metallic mix and match freedom system. So you buy 2 or more, you can mix and match the shades. You don't necessarily have to be stuck with having shade 1 with 1, shade 2 with 2. You can do this foil with that foil if you want to. You buy the 1 system and you buy number 10 system, and you can mix and match. And that's the cool thing about it, is because it has this little magnetic system to be able to latch on. For my pro artists, this could fit into your pro kit easily. You can leave the magnetic middle at home, but this, traveling with this in your kit, Danessa, you did that. You did that. These retail for $36. They're all available at Sephora as we speak right now. I use the Black Magic palette from Uma Beauty in the shade Poise. This has a lot of neutrals in here, so I'm going to be using the shade Poise to definitely shape and carve out my crease. I'm going to go in with Ija to diffuse and soften the eyeshadow a little bit, and then I'm going to go in with Black Y'all to give me that smoky vibe on the lid. Now that the eyes are pretty much finished, we're going to go in and play with shade number 10. And I'm going to take, should I do the foil, which is Galaxy Crush, or should I do the metallic, which is Shadow Eclipse? I think I want some fun, so I'm gonna go in with the foil, and this is in the shade Galaxy Crush. It is that multi-dimension green to silver shift. Oh, y'all. Ooh. Take it on the Anastasia 824 brush. Ooh. This is giving me everything. Yeah, these are definitely going into the arsenal, the kit, a show. For sure. Okay, so this look, you gotta put on lashes. So I'm gonna hop off here real quickly, pop on a lash and a lip, and we're gonna talk about Miss Danessa and these shadows, cause baby, it's something. Alright guys, so this pretty much completes the look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. My thoughts on the eyeshadow is that they are sickening. For $38, which is a little bit more expensive than getting the tube of the Color Fixes. I think they roughly about like $22 per item, or $20 per item. For $38, you get 2 shadows, 2 different formulas in a stick that you can take with you. And I think that you can be able, I think the whole cool innovative thing that you can do about this is that you can take them apart, and that you could magnetize them and create your own shadow sticks to take with you. This is very artist in mind, so that when you are on set and you don't want to carry the whole full stick situation, a makeup artist can literally carry each individual stick in their kit. Or if you're traveling, these also do magnetize together, so they're going to stay together, of course. So you can get multiple ones. Again, these retail for $38 a piece, which is not bad if you really look at it. Getting single individual Color Fix creams, which roughly between $22 to $24. I think this is going to be a good steal. Like I said, this is the final look, and this smoky is eating the girls up. Eating the girls up. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and end this video here. Thank you again so much to Danessa Myricks for sending me these products. I really appreciate you, and I love you so much. You did another big banger to add to your SKUs and collections for your beauty brand. You did that, girl. You did that. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and end this video here. If you made it this far and you have not subscribed, please do so. I would love to see you guys in the next video. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed the tutorials. Without further ado, I'm going to end this video here. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Bye.